Hi everyone, this is Banu channel. Today I'm going to change my hair. So if you want to come and like see how is the process, what I'm gonna do, how I'm going to change it, just come with me. Keep watching. And there he comes. 안녕.
기분이 어때?
기분이 좋아.
왜?
Today we come here to dye a bit my hair, to cut my hair, to change a bit this style.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dio. So let's see what happens today. I'm kind of nervous because I didn't dye my hair much.
Really?
Yeah, I dyed like blue once and red once too. So today let's see. Because for modeling I cannot dye much. I should be like natural. So.
Are you excited?
I'm excited. Super excited. It's like hands mask.
Yeah.
Wow.
How do you feel?
It's first time in my life.
Oh, really?
Salon day, but I'm holding my nails.
Maybe it's the only one place to do this.
Really?
Yeah.
Actually, it's really like refreshing. It feels really good. Like,
Yeah.
It's really refreshing. You guys should come here.
How do you feel?
What?
How do you
I
feel?
think it's cute because like they want me to look more foreigner.
Yeah.
So now it's a bit ginger.
Yeah. Ginger.
Not ginger, but like brown, like orange, kind of. Orange.
색깔이 진짜 이뻐.
색깔이 마음에 들어.
네.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's really better.
I really like it.
어때? 마음에 들어?
마음에 들어. 색깔 진짜 좋아. So this is the final result in our work in Salon, and she did all today. So 박수.
머리 이쁘다.
Yeah, it's really good. I really like it. So I'll come again.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. So now we're all together.
Yes! Hello, my lovelies.
And you guys made it.
Yeah. Many
I'm gonna
thank
make you guys.
I'm so happy with such a big stars.
Introduce yourself to the 1,000 followers I have in my no channel.
This is handsome hair studio.
Sorry, the bus is too much.
You guys look the same color.
Oh, that's right.
Now we are brothers,
little bit?
more brothers than before.
Brothers.
Don't you know what
Sorry, I do. Surprise!
That's why we are dating.
Yeah.
Right?
That's why we're such a good match.
I love her stuff. His stuff. So now we go to Ikea
Yeah.
to eat meatballs and buy some stuff.
I'm not gonna eat meatballs though.
Oh, that's true. You can.
I'm probably gonna eat ice cream.
Not those meatballs.
Other meatballs.
Other meatballs. No, I really need to do. Okay, so okay guys, see you in Ikea.
Bye bye.
So now we came to Ikea and I came here with Siso and Dio. So let's see what we buy. But I want to buy some plants and boxes and all the stuff. So let's see. So cool today. So finally we arrived to Ikea, as you can see. Siso is recording. I'm recording. And let's buy something good today. I expect to buy some stuff I need for my room. Actually, I don't need much, but I want to decorate it a bit better. And actually, if I can find a really beautiful plan and some stuff for like managing my room, like boxes and something like that, it would be great. So let's see what we find. There are many beautiful stuff here. Like this bed is a sofa bed, and there are many cool sofas, many cool colors, many cool people. So I really like Ikea. It's one of my favorite places. Please, can I live in Ikea? Why everything is so fucking pretty? Look, like there are many good beds and many good rooms. I don't know why, like in Korea, one room owners don't come to Ikea and copy the rooms and just give us a really nice decorated room. Because mine is new, it's good, but it's quite boring, and I hate blue tones for rooms, so I'm waiting for moving this year to another house and decorate by myself. Now we're in the best part of Ikea. The teddy bar. So fucking cute. I wanna buy a shark. Actually, my real love is there. Those sharks. But I cannot buy because I don't have space. Can you buy for me? It's the saddest dog I have seen in my life. And now they're playing. You guys can see we are buying a lot in the cooking area.
Yeah, we are. Where's Dio?
And we cannot find Dio.
Where's Dio?
Dio.
Child. Now we have to go to
Yeah, now we have to find the child.
and get some over there.
Exactly.
Hello, calling Dio.
Dio the child, where are you? Here he
Where
is,
did you go?
the lost child. The lost child.
I need to smile at it.
And now we're in the elevator.
We're down to furnished home.
We go to downtown.
We're going down.
We're going down.
I feel like you're
Yay, girl.
Bigger.
Dio. So now we are looking for the furniture for Sizzle, right?
Yeah.
And
What do you
Sizzle,
think of your baby?
it's so cute, right? I hope it doesn't die soon. I need to give a name.
Matilda.
Huh?
Leon and Matilda. And you even have the hair from Leon. Oh my god, that's true. Look at this.
It's true.
It's true. This is Matilda with her plant, and this is Leon with her hair. You just
Oi,
put the
Matilda.
glasses now.
Sizzle is happy. So we got all the stuff, my baby plant, and all the furniture for Sizzle. And now we are here. Ikea.
Can you record us?
Yeah.
Are you ready? We need to go to room
Lego.
16.
Let's go, Sizzle.
Oh my god. Who farts?
Sound effects. We're not responsible adults right now.
So, today we finished our little trip to Ikea.
You spent whole day in Ikea, right?
Yeah, all fucking day. But it was
Fucking day.
so fucking good. And yeah, it was really, really nice, actually. First we went to the hairstyle, like hair salon.
Yeah.
It was super nice.
What a day.
What a day. We had a long day, but what an interesting day too. It was really cool day, really. And that girl is there too. Uri Caesar. So let's say bye to the thousands of followers I have.
Like and subscribe, please.
Like and subscribe, please. We love you.
구독 안 하면
If you don't follow, we will go for you. We are the gang. Bye bye. Okay, there you go. Really. Bye. Thank you for watching. Love you, everyone. And subscribe, please. Like this video. Bye bye. Bye bye.